How to fix Lost Ark server authentication failed 10,010. 1. Check server status. 2. Clear your DNS cache. Commands include IP protocol configuration /flushins IP protocol configuration /registeredns 3. Use the Internet Troubleshooter. 4. Verify the integrity of game files. 5. Enable TLS 1.2. Set 0 to disabled by default. The word @HKey _local _machine /system /current control set /control /security providers /channel /protocols /client in registry editor. Save and restart your system.